What improvements would you say you noticed in your skills since joining the boot camp?
So many. I don't know. Yeah, I don't even know where to start. It's almost like I am a developer now, even though I'm not finished. But there's also so much that I still need to learn. Uh, but but yeah, definitely have come a long way already. And even using GitHub and Git commands, having doing API work, hands-on. I mean, I just last week I had two I guess you could call it pre-screen interviews for developer positions that I was able to take those tests on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and even API. I took the tests, and I mean, I might not hear back from them, but it was good practice, and it was amazing that I was even able to. I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to build that what I built, but I did, and it's already going to be it's inspiring to know that if these ones don't come through, which I don't expect them to, but if they do, then I can already possibly get a job that I want and continue learning. But again, I'm not going to expect that to happen because then I would just, it's so competitive. There's a lot of, but there's a time and a place for everybody. So each person is going to have their time when they can get that job that they're comfortable enough to get.
Glad that you are seeing so much meaningful improvement, and we hope, until you're fully finished, it only gets better. Thank you, Kim.